The Guinea Savanna is a vast geographic region that spans over 670,000 square kilometers in West Africa, and encompasses portions of Nigeria, Ghana, Togo, Cameroon and Mali. With its characteristic short grasses and scattered trees, the Guinea Savanna occupies transitional zone between the Sahara Desert to the north and the tropical rainforests to the south. As one of the most distinctive and important ecosystems in West Africa, the Guinea Savanna is home to a diverse range of plant and animal species, provides important ecological services, and supports the livelihoods of millions of people who live within and around its borders. One of the most striking features of the Guinea Savanna is its flat topography, which enables the growth of nutrient-poor but water-sufficient soils and grasses. Primarily dominated by the short grasses of the Andropogon and Hyparrhenia genera, the savanna is also home to many species of trees, such as the acacia and the baobab, which are adapted to survive the long dry season and flourish during the rainy season. The mix of grasses and trees creates a mosaic of habitats and microclimates that supports a wide variety of wildlife such as antelopes, zebras, elephants, hyenas, lions, and cheetahs. The savanna is also home to a wide range of bird species, including numerous species of raptors, vultures, and storks. The Guinea savanna plays a crucial role in addressing the climate crisis, providing a host of ecological services that help control atmospheric carbon and regulate global climate patterns. The savanna's soils are carbon-rich, which makes them a vital carbon sink. The grasses and trees in the savanna absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in the soil, mitigating the effects of greenhouse gas buildup. Additionally, the savanna's characteristic low tree canopy allows for greater sunlight penetration and photosynthesis, further increasing carbon storage capacity. This helps protect the region, and the planet, from the effects of climate change. The Guinea savanna also plays a key role in the livelihoods of communities across West Africa, many of whom rely on the region's natural resources for sustenance. The savanna is an important source of food, fuel, and livelihoods for millions of people in the region. Traditional farming practices, such as rotational grazing and shifting cultivation, take advantage of the savanna's rich soils to produce crops such as millet, sorghum, and cassava. Additionally, the trees of the savanna provide important non-timber forest products, including shea butter, gum arabic, and honey, which are critical for local trade, income generation and food security. The savanna's wildlife has also been a critical resource to local communities for centuries, supplying meat, hides, and other materials. Unfortunately, the Guinea savanna is currently facing several challenges that threaten its long-term health and sustainability. One of the most significant challenges is deforestation. As the human population continues to grow, and with it, the demand for agricultural land, forest areas are being cleared for farming and grazing. This deforestation is leading to the loss of valuable habitat for wildlife, soil erosion and degradation, and the disruption of ecological processes that have been integral in shaping the savanna over millennia. Other factors that threaten the Guinea savanna include climate change, overgrazing, bushfires, and poaching. The region is becoming increasingly vulnerable to the impacts of changing weather patterns, including longer and more severe droughts and heatwaves that damage the soil, the grasses and the trees. Overgrazing, particularly by livestock, is causing soil erosion, desertification, and loss of biodiversity. Bushfires, both natural and human-caused, are destroying vast areas of the savanna every year, leading to the loss of carbon stocks and habitat for wildlife. Poaching is also becoming a serious problem, with wildlife populations being decimated for their meat and other body parts.
The Guinea savanna has a humid tropical climate, marked by distinct wet and dry seasons, with temperatures ranging from 27 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. The wet season in the savanna is characterized by heavy rainfall, while the dry season is characterized by harmattan winds that blow dust and sand into the region. The Guinea savanna is an important agricultural region, with subsistence farming being the primary activity of the local population. Livestock rearing, particularly cattle, sheep, and goats, is also an important economic activity, especially carried out by nomadic herdsmen. The Guinea savanna region is drained by several rivers and streams, with the Niger River being the main river in the area. The rivers provide water for irrigation and other agricultural activities in the region. Additionally, there are several natural and man-made lakes and ponds in the region.
The Guinea savanna is heavily dependent on water bodies for sustenance. Water bodies like rivers, lakes, and ponds are important in providing water for plants and animals in the ecosystem. These water bodies also serve as a source of sustenance for the local communities who rely on them for fishing and agriculture. Wetlands and riverside forests present around these water bodies also provide shelter and food for aquatic animals and various bird species. Without water bodies, the Guinea savanna landscape could quickly turn into a barren wasteland. Therefore, it is vital to ensure that these water bodies are preserved, protected, and sustainably used for the benefit of both the environment and local communities. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Guinea savanna. Please don't fail to subscribe to this channel.